Personally, I've never experimented with the bold colors when it comes to my mascara. So in today's video, we'll be doing the same. So starting off with the foundation, I want to keep it light and I'm using my Real Techniques buffing brush to buff the foundation into my skin. And the foundation I'm using today is by Maybelline. It is their Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 128. So as you can see, this is covering my redness pretty well. This is not a full coverage foundation at all, and if in case you want to go really very light with your foundation, then this is the one for you. Also, this foundation oxidizes and you should always get a shade lighter than your natural skin tone. And the wear time of this foundation is about 5 to 6 hours at a stretch, and which is pretty decent for its price. And in case you want to go even lighter than this, you can definitely choose to go in with your BB cream. The whole point of this video is about building a very thin layer of the foundation which doesn't look cakey at all in the daytime. I have buffed the foundation into my skin pretty well, and now is the time for the next step, that is to set the foundation. I'm using this translucent powder by Maybelline. This is one of my favorite powders for my face because it doesn't dry out my skin at all. And this powder is way lighter than any compact powder that you get. I have dry skin and I have heard really good reviews about Laura Mercier's translucent powder. I hope I get it soon. Moving on to the next thing, that is bronzing the face. I'm using the standard bronzer by HOOLA. This is gonna add some color, some dimension to the face, which is pretty much required for this pale face right now. This is their universal shade that pretty much fits everybody surprisingly, and if you are looking to buy a good bronzer, this is an investment. Go and get this one. I don't want to judge anybody, but I have seen some beauty bloggers using this bronzer as their contour. This is really warm to be a contour shade, so never do that, because if you like deposit in really high quantity, that's gonna look orange on you. And surprisingly, I have in the past used this bronzer as contour shade myself. Such a bad influence. So the lipstick that I have used in here is by Maybelline. It's in the shade Clay Crush. It is their nude peachy brownie shade that I absolutely love. Now is the time to add some color to the cheeks. This is the boring looking blush by MAC. It is in the shade Gingerly. This blush just makes a room in every makeup look because it is so boring and it doesn't snatch the attention, but at the very same time it adds the color to the cheeks. Overall, it does the job and I totally love it, and I highly recommend this. I have worn this blush horizontally across my cheeks, and what is left on the brush will be deposited on the nose, on the chin, on the forehead, everywhere. Now is the time to use the world's best concealer in my opinion. This is Benefit's Cakeless Concealer. I'm in the shade 06. A little goes a long way with this one, and if I say this, I really mean this. You can see for yourself. This concealer formula feels like satin to the touch, and it's quite buildable, and it's also very stretchy and blendable. This is a full coverage concealer, and as you can see, the under eye area is illuminating and there are no dark patches whatsoever. And guys, if you don't face massive issues with the under eye dark circles, you can directly go in with this concealer. This is gonna hide everything for you. I've used my fingers to blend this concealer in, and no fancy equipment, and this works fine. While I'm blending it, you can of course make the comparison between the two sides, wherein I have my concealer on and on the other side where I did not blend it. And if in case I have to recommend you guys an affordable concealer, that's gonna be Age Divine Concealer from Maybelline. That works amazing. Heavy and illuminating concealers, and in fact all the concealers, they require to be set with the translucent or your regular compact powder. This is an essential step which makes your concealer last really long, and you better never skip that. And I'm using my same translucent powder next to set the concealer. The powder was by Maybelline, you all know that. I'm using the same buffing brush to set my concealer with the very same powder. And now it is time to move on to the next step, that is mascara. And this mascara is by Benefit Cosmetics. It is their Bad Girl Bang Mascara. It is in the shade blue. If you want an affordable dupe to this mascara, you should definitely check out LAKMÉ. They also have a beautiful blue mascara, by the way. And that's quite affordable. And the best part is that is easily available across India. Blue is such a statement color, no? What do you think? And I regret not being this experimental in the past. I have never ever thought about wearing a blue mascara and even a blue eyeliner. They look quite classy and trendy. From now onwards, I am totally doing it. And this is how 2 coats of standalone blue mascara looks on me. And I'm pretty sure that blue mascara is gonna look amazing on so many people out there. Just be a little experimental with the looks and try this one. And for this, I was inspired by Cara Delevingne. I just saw one of her pictures and I was like, why not just wear this one? And if you want to go 100% bold with the blue color, consider wearing a blue eyeliner. And this eyeliner is by Lakme. It is really affordable. It's their Insta liner. They have got so many colors going on. It's just rupees 100 or maybe 120. I have no idea. I did not flick it out. There is no bold winged eyeliner. And I'm just trying to be really close to my lash line. And with the mascara on, it's really tough. But the show must go on. I just succeeded in applying this liner. Kudos to me. And the difference is in front of you. Both the eyes, you can choose whichever look that you like, whichever look that suits you the best. Just the mascara or with the eyeliner. It is all about your preference, your style and your personalized comfort. And do let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts about this makeup look, and tell me, will you ever wear a blue eyeliner? I'm calling this makeup look done, and we have just come to an end of this video, and I shall see you in my next video very soon. And in case you like my content and this channel, consider subscribing, and if you do, welcome to my closet.